If you do cosmetic dentistry, you know how delicate veneers can be. It's quite difficult to manipulate them and move them around. So we have here today a tool that will help us do just that. It's the veneerme from Simplified. Now, here is the first part. It's the mesh, or the thing that comes on top. And this is the container itself. Let's open the container. It's a twist open. Okay. So this is the mesh that goes on top. You can wash through this and air through this. Now this is the membrane pad underneath, so you have to peel off the protective plastic first, of course. Okay, there we go. There's this membrane in here that's quite sticky. As I touch it, it actually leaves my fingerprints. So again, another one of the mechanics to keep the veneers in place. If you take a closer look as well, you'll see that there is a number system here to keep you organized when you're putting a bunch of veneers in here. Alright? Let's grab a few veneers and put them on, see how they hold up. They have to be put facial down, so facial onto the sticky pad, like so. So this alone already keeps it quite secure. It's not dropping, it's not moving. Okay? So now you can put your edge, your silane, and all that, and then you cover it back up. And here, you can rinse them. As you rinse them, and then of course air them and let it dry, and when you're done, you just pop this back open and take your veneers ready for cementation. Now another cool feature with this is the fact that it's actually used as a transport as well. So what does that mean? So we put all the veneers that we want to transport, move them back to the lab or move them back to the clinic. See? Nothing, no movement, all safe. Toss them around, toss them there. Yep. And we open them up, they're still in place. Okay? There they are, safe, secure, ready to be installed. So that's the veneerme from Simplified. If you enjoy what we do here, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.